What's going on, everybody? It's VD Engineering here and welcome to my video. I'll be showing you guys how you can import Solidworks geometry in 2 dimensions into ANSYS for your simulation applications. So open a new sketch in Solidworks and set it to part. Go into sketch and click on new sketch and select the plane where you want it to be. I'm going to choose the front plane here. Then create your sketch. It could be any 2-dimensional sketch you want, but in this case I'll be creating a simple wedge. So here you can see I'm just making a cutout, and it's only in one plane, so make sure you do that. So when I'm done my sketch, you can then insert a planar surface. So go into insert on the top left corner, click surface, and then planar. It should auto select the whole thing, and just press the check mark to make sure that it's done. Okay, so that's your sketch, and let's save it now as a part file. So go on file and save, and just click on your desktop, for example, and just name your part file. It saves as 2D itself, so you don't need to set it to 2D separately. Okay, so our part's done, and let's go into ANSYS now. I'm going to Fluidflow for CFD for this case, and set your geometry to 2D because this is the most important step. If you make a mistake here, you cannot go back, so make sure you do this step first. So when it's 2D, right click and import your file and select your part. When that's done, make sure you edit the geometry in Design Modeler, not in SpaceClaim, because SpaceClaim does not support 2D files, but the other software does. Click generate to import the file, and that's it. So that's your file there, and to make sure it's 2D, you can verify the thickness. So go into your part file and then select your thickness mode, set it to user defined and make it 0 meters, because a 2D file has no thickness, only a length and width. And set it to your fluid for this example. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. This was a very quick tip on how to import 2D files into ANSYS. Now keep in mind that you may not always be using Solidworks. You can also do this in any other CAD software. The process is the same. And if you have any questions, leave it below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.